video, later that can become her project. The same applies to graphic design, social media management, and basic website creation. You don't need to become an expert overnight. You only need to be slightly better than the average person and willing for someone else. Now, here's where many students miss a huge opportunity. They spend hours scrolling through TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and other platforms every day. Imagine converting just a fraction of that time into skill building. If you dedicate 1 hour daily to learning a marketable skill and another hour reaching out to potential clients, you're already ahead. Consistency beats intensity. You don't need a 12-hour workday. You need a repeat. Another powerful strategy is freelancing through your existing network. Many students immediately think they need thousands or a fancy website. That's not true. Start with people you already know. Ask local businesses if they need help with video editing to creators. Help small companies manage online reviews. Reach out to family friends who own businesses. First few opportunities often come from people who already trust you. Once you get results, referrals start working in your favor. There's also an important here. When money starts coming in, avoid the temptation to spend everything. A lot of students earn their first few $100s and immediately buy gadgets or other impulse purchases. Instead, treat your earnings like a business owner would. Save a portion, reinvest a portion into better tools or education. Understanding basic financial habits early can put you years ahead of your peers. Learning how money works while you're young is often more valuable. The students who successfully earn $10,000 usually have one thing in common. They stop thinking like consumers and start thinking like problem solvers. Every business has problems.